Hello guys, welcome to Ali's Log Roblox. We're currently playing Build a Boat for Treasure. My friends told me it's quite popular. So I basically skipped the tutorial. He taught me some tricks how to. What the? So I do placed like this. I'm on phone. It's quite weird. Told me to place blocks, and I'll float on water. I think. I don't think this will float. It looks so bad. Will it even float? Yeah, I think this is the seat, and then it controls the engine. Wait, so yeah, wait, launch. Oh, this is no, that's sick. What are you meant to do in this game? It's weird. I'll go left. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Oh yeah, I'm on my boat. I'm driving my boat. Okay. Wait, does these rock damage me? Do I have to dodge them? Holy, what just happened? 8 coins. Wait, what do you do with gold? Oh, I can buy these. Wait, what's in it? What are those? I got a whole lot of nothing. Wait, do I build with those? Wait a minute. What? This is metal. Should I place at the front? I think placing at the front works. Guys, I'm not really good at this. This is my first time, sorry. Okay. Wait, can you save it? Because I don't want to build this every time. And this wooden rod. Okay, and then this wedge should go at the front. Wait, how do you turn it? Whoa, what the? What's the car? Stand at the back. Hmm? Oh, wait, 3 seats? Wait. Is this guy bringing me to the end? This guy's bringing me to the end. Wait, what is this? What is happening? This guy got a car and bringing me to the end? What the? Ah, help me, help me. Ah, I'm going to die. What is he doing? I took damage. What is happening? Ah, is he trying to kill me? What is wrong with him? He just killed me? Are you serious? Wait, whoa, I just got a chest. Okay. So I need to build this wall again. Okay. Ceramic metal. What the? I just build it straight away. That. It's wood strong. I mean, 1 strength. Okay. I think I can save it. We just finished building. This looks good. And I got a chest. Whoa. And then I can build my motor, my chair. What else do I have? Got a door. It's quite strong. You go there and then a seat. Could go there. Okay, let's launch. Wait, let me save it first. Where do you go? Teams. Save. First build. Save. Okay, now launch. Okay. I'm going forward. I think I meant to dodge the rocks because they damaged me. I think that's what's happening because I just died well. So I'm deadly to water. Okay. What is happening? I'm getting hit. Oh! God. What the? How am I standing? How am I twerking? What is happening? What the? Wait, where am I going? Is this... I'm meant to go here. What's in here? Huh? Where am I? Let me in. Okay, I'm back up. Okay. What? I flipped. Am I dying? Or am I not? And you flip back right. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm dying. God. What? I'm not pressing anything. Okay, forward. Okay, I think I'm safe. That was weird. Build like a... Is there a fish? That's sick. Oh, my door broke. What is that? Is it white stuff? Ah! Okay. Why is it so weird? Like I can't control. Did this. Okay. Whoa! What the? I got painted. What? Well, at least I got gold. Okay. Okay. Chest. I mean, the chests aren't really that good. Let me buy a rare. 15 blocks. Bread. Oh, I got like ice. I got balloons. Oh, that looks good. And let me buy a common. Okay, that's not good. I just wasted my money. Okay, so let me just wait. So I load it. Yeah. Now I can add stuff to it, right? I-beam. This metal. And then concrete. Oh, looks strong. Concrete is quite strong, actually. Okay, that looks like a good design. Okay, that looks like a good front. That looks good. Marbles. Should I remove this thing? It's not like really symmetrical. And this there. Sand. Okay, that looks like it works. Okay. Sand. Where could I place sand? The front looks glitchy. Where's the sand? Looks embedded. Okay, balloon. Does it fly? Okay. And that ice. Oh, 6 ice. Okay. Can work with that. 3 each side. That works right well. Okay, this is our final design. We win. We lose. I guess we'll end the video. Okay. How did I do that? How did I place it? Like that. Oh, I got marble. 6 strength. I guess you can go like in the corner. Like that. Okay, that works. That looks symmetrical. That everything I own. Oh, chests. Medium treasure. Go to the front. And then small treasure there. For like front support. Okay. Save. No! I loaded it! Oh my goodness. Oh, it's time to build it again. Okay, I'm gonna try to speed run this. That looks cool. Okay. Balloon. I don't even know how the balloon works. Does it make us fly? Concrete rod. Marble. Okay. Concrete. How did I do that? I can't place it like the space. Okay, I think that works. And I-beam. There. Medium treasure there, and then treasure. How did I get that? Oh. How's it going in there? Okay, is that everything? Oh, I got this helm. That could go there. Another chair. Okay, there. A wedge. That could go to the front. Yeah, that doesn't really work for it. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's everything. Okay. Let's save it. Okay. And let's launch our final masterpiece. Look at that. The balloon. Whoa! Guess we can't use that. We're probably too heavy anyways. This did quite well. Okay. So on the right, you can see we only made it to the 3rd level. Steer. Okay, that's straight. Forward. So wait, are these secrets? Is there secrets in this game? I think so, but whoa, huh? We just went past. So far we haven't even hit one thing, so that's good. There's fish. Oh, we finally hit one, but it hit our chests, which is our front defense. Whoa, whoa, no, we can't break our motor. The motor is like the main part. We need the motor alive. Whoa. Okay. Okay. This part was easy. It's just blocks. Okay, this is the second part. Okay. And then this. Oh, and then after this, it was the part where I died. Is there treasure? Oh, we lost one treasure. Wait. Let's look through. Oh. Wow, the boxes are so strong. Okay, we're breaking through. Our front is breaking though. Forward! Okay, I think it's the paint is so deadly. Last time I died to paint, I think. The ice is breaking. We made it through. What? Okay. Some more of these stuff. No, our motor broke. No! Oh, why are there boulders? Ah! There's boulders coming! We're dying! Ah! Our front is breaking! No, why is the metal falling off? Ah! The wood! We're stuck. Help! Ah! No! I'm dying! Ah! I'm not on the seat anymore! I need to stand! Oh, wait, this looks easy. This is easy. Yeah, that's easy. Where's the notes? I think we're going to lose. Ah! No! Come back! No! We were so close, guys. No! That was so close. Guess we didn't make it to the end after all. Guys, guess this is going to be the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of these epic Roblox content. Bye, guys.